of humanity in life. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Asha Mol first MA that goes the welcome speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think it's a great honor and privilege to propose the welcome address on this memorable occasion. I would like to welcome you all for the Knowledge Circle program. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. With this note, I would like to welcome our respected President and Secretary, Engineer P. Kumarasamy. I welcome you, sir. Next, I extend my hearty welcome to Mrs. Radha Kumarasamy, correspondent of Pioneer School and member of College Committee of Pioneer Kumarasamy College. I welcome you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Vikram Kumarasamy, member of College Committee of Pioneer Kumarasamy College. I welcome you, sir. I extend my hearty welcome to Dr. Indra, Principal of Pioneer Kumarasamy College. She has dedicated her time and service for the upliftment of our college. I am very happy to welcome you, ma'am. I extend my graceful sign-off welcome to our Chief Guest, Mr. Hari Ramakrishnan. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome Dr. N. Selva Ganapati, coordinator of Knowledge Circle. I welcome you, sir. On this special occasion, I would like to welcome the faculty members and students who are an integral part of this institution. I request all for your kind cooperation throughout this program. Thank you, Vanaka.
Thank you, Asha. There is nothing more attractive than a great positive personality. Its beauty never fades away with time. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Hari Ramakrishnan, San Francisco, USA, to deliver the special address.
I can go. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Kumarasamy, Chief of Pioneer Establishments, Ms. Lata, Correspondent, Dr. Indra, the Principal, Dr. Raxon, Vice Principal, Mr. Selvaraj, Dr. Selva Ganapati, the Coordinator, and Dr. Neela Mohan, Self-Finance Coordinator. The objective of this presentation is to spread awareness of advanced physics and new technologies towards the production of energy on a mass scale at a cheap rate. The sun. The sun is what allows all life on Earth to thrive. But what is its secret to living for billions of years? And how does it stay so bright? Nuclear fusion is the process by which stars, including the sun, generate their energy. In a fusion reaction, atomic nuclei fuse together to form heavier nuclei. The nuclei need to collide at a high speed in order for the reaction to happen. These conditions of extremely high pressure and temperature can be found in the cores of stars. The pressure at the center of the sun is a staggering 100 billion times atmospheric pressure, while the temperature is 15 million degrees centigrade. Under these conditions, the fusion of hydrogen into helium can be easily sustained. First, some background. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. In the center of the atom is the nucleus, which is made up of protons and neutrons. Since protons have a positive charge and neutrons have no charge, the nucleus is positively charged. Fusion can involve many different elements in the periodic table. However, researchers working on fusion energy applications are especially interested in the deuterium-tritium fusion reaction. Deuterium and tritium are isotopes of hydrogen. That means deuterium and tritium are both hydrogen atoms with a different number of neutrons. In this diagram, the tritium combines with the deuterium and fuses together in a reaction and creates one helium atom, one neutron, and energy. Researchers prefer the DT reaction because elements heavier than hydrogen require more energy to fuse together. Fusion is the combining of atoms, while fission is the splitting of atoms. Most of the nuclear reactors today use fission technology, like the nuclear reactor in Kudamkal. Fusion happens when two atoms collide at a high enough speed. The reason energy is created from the fusion reaction is because of Einstein's famous formula E is equal to mass into the speed of light squared. The speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. When the atoms collide at a high speed, huge amounts of energy is created. This energy can be converted into electricity. The energy created by the reaction is heat energy. This heat energy is used to heat up water and turn the water into steam. The steam then rises and is used to turn a turbine as it rises. Where is nuclear fusion now? In December 2022, researchers at the Lawrence Livermore National Lab were able to achieve a net energy gain in a fusion reaction for the first time. This means that the reaction generated more energy than was needed to create the reaction. Looking forward, nuclear fusion is a clean, source of energy. There is no risk of nuclear meltdown or radioactive waste. Nuclear fusion is a safer option than its counterpart, nuclear fission. Because of this advantage over nuclear fission, fusion will become the dominant energy source over the next few years and provide energy to the billions of people on Earth. This technology is still in the laboratory level. It may take 10 to 20 years to bring it to the commercial level. Any questions? Yes, begin.
Voice is audible.
Oh, what is, what?
I have a question in chat.
Can you ask the question in chat?
If you have any questions, students? No doubt, sir. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful lecture. No questions, sir. Thank you for your wonderful lecture. Everyone.
Okay. The next topic is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence or AI? AI is a way to make computers do more complex tasks in a short time that humans would normally take a long time to do. Non-AI computing examples are 2 plus 2, or 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, or searching the internet, or Google. But AI examples, and AI knows the difference between a dog and a cat, and AI can talk like a human, and AI can drive a car in research. How does AI work? To make an AI, you teach the computer what is right or wrong and what is wrong. You teach the AI by showing thousands of correct and wrong answers. The AI will get better and better with more inputs of correct and wrong answers. Through this process, the AI will devise a formula based on the inputs. When you ask an AI a question, it goes into the input layer, the orange input layer. The AI then uses the formula created on the previous slide in the hidden layers, the green hidden layers. And the answer the AI creates is in the output layer. If the AI is wrong based on the right answers from human beings, it will improvise the formula, and after many such exercises will create the right formula ready for use. There are a few phases of AI. First, you need data and then you need training hardware, and you combine the data and hardware and deploy the AI into a car or an iPhone. In order to create the AI, in order to train the AI, you need a well-designed model as per the diagram in the previous slide. You need large amounts of high-quality input data. You also need powerful hardware to train the AI. Once you train the AI, you use AI inference. Inference is the application of the AI model. It involves transferring the model to the input device. For example, your computers or servers. An example of inference is transferring an AI model to Google servers, have the AI model process the search queries, and the AI will give an output. AI inference is just the deploying and application of the AI model. An example of an AI is ChatGPT. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer and was developed by a company called OpenAI. It is an artificial intelligence chatbot technology that can process our natural human language and generate a response. ChatGPT is a large language model, or LLM. ChatGPT is trained with 570 gigabytes of data. 570 gigabytes of data is around 57,000 standard-sized books. ChatGPT can write and talk like a human. I will show an example of ChatGPT. I told the AI to write a story about Nagarcoil, and the AI used its formula to create a story. I will read the first paragraph the AI generated. Nagarcoil, a charming coastal town located at the southernmost tip of India, held a special place in the hearts of its residents. With its lush green landscapes, pristine beaches, and rich cultural heritage, Nagarcoil was a gem waiting to be discovered by the world. Where has AI been applied now? AI has been applied in driverless cars, customer support, creating images, facial recognition, and finance fraud detection. If you want to have a career in AI, here are some tools you can use. Some more AI examples like ChatGPT or Llama 2 by Meta and Bard by Google. You can train the ML models with these AWS, SageMaker, Comprehend, and Azure ML. The most common programming language used in ML is Python. Some open source communities for AI is Hugging Face, and some AI platforms are TensorFlow, PyTorch, and CUDA. The next topic is quantum computing. First, we need to talk about classical computing. Classical computers use bits. Bits are sequences of ones and zeros. Classical computing uses bits to do calculations. But what is quantum computing? Quantum computers are computers that use qubits instead of bits. Classical bits can only use two states, 1 and 0. Qubits can be any number from 0 to 1, opening infinite possibilities. For example, a qubit could be 0.1 or 0.5 or 0.55 or 0.554. Any number between 0 and 1, a qubit can be. This allows a quantum computer to calculate all possibilities at once. It takes 4 minutes to calculate something that takes a classical supercomputer 10,000 years. The advantages of quantum computing is that a quantum computer can do computations extremely fast. They are very good at parallel processing. They can simulate quantum systems like atoms and electrons better than classical computers. Quantum computers are able to crack cryptography and can create new forms of private communication. The disadvantages of quantum computing is that quantum computing hardware is very difficult to engineer and build at a large scale. Today, typical chips use zeros and ones. The quantum computing field is still new and emerging, so there is lots of work left to do. Thank you. Thank you. Another disadvantage of quantum computing is that it needs to work at negative 272 degrees centigrade or just above absolute zero to calculate its answers. Any movement like a sneeze can disrupt the calculation of a quantum computer. Where is quantum computing now? Quantum computing is still in the research phase and may take 5 to 10 years to have practical applications. Currently, Google has been able to create a 70-qubit quantum computer called Sycamore, a problem that would take 47 years for a classical supercomputer. Sycamore would take a few seconds. Any questions or doubts?
Do you have any questions or doubts? No. No questions, sir. No questions, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you, students, for listening. And my grandfather, Mr. Paramount Pura. And thank you all. Yes. How do I work now? AI works by giving the AI an input, and the AI will use its formula to give an output. Does that answer your question? Okay. Thank you. That is it.
Thank you, sir. Everyone has talent.
Oh, another question in chat. Is AI integrated into Excel now? Yes, I think in newer versions of Excel and Google Sheets, they have integrated AI. Also, like video editing software and Photoshop all has AI now. Yes. Can you suggest any YouTube channels to learn about AI? Some AI YouTubers can be 3 blue, 1 brown. Joma Tech and CS Dojo. I will put the YouTube names in chat.
Thank you, sir. Everyone has talent. What is that? Is the courage to follow the talent to the job place where it leads. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Vijay, first time English, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all. I deem it is a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this special occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a successful one. Next, I would like to thank Mr. Hari Ramakrishnan, who added beauty to the occasion and took us to the depth of advanced physics and computer technology. The valuable ideas which you share with us will be ever in our mind. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Engineer P. Kumaraswamy, President and Secretary of Pioneer Kumaraswamy College. Your very presence is a source of inspiration to all of us. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to express my profound gratitude to Mrs. Radha Kumaraswamy, correspondent of Pioneer School, for her constant support and commitment throughout this program. Thank you. Next, I wish to express my sincere thanks to Mr. Vikram Kumaraswamy, member of College Committee, for your great effort for conducting this program. Thank you, sir. Next, I would wish to express my sincere thanks to Principal Dr. Indra, who is an instrumental in the presence and peaceful atmosphere that prevails in our college. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Dr. N. Selvaganapati, Coordinator of Knowledge Circle. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Selvaraj sir and Subramanian sir for conducting this program. Thank you, sir. I'm very happy to extend my sincere thanks to Mr. Grishma, SMA of English, who did the Master of Ceremony and gave color to this program. On this